How to fix Grubhub app not working. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, launch your app store. Now go to the search bar and search for Grubhub. Okay, here we go. Now tap on the application and make sure that your application is updated to its latest version. If you see the option of update, you can update your application. Now, next step what you can follow is just scroll down to your control panel and make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If not, turn off your Wi-Fi, wait for 1 or 2 minutes, and then again you can turn on your Wi-Fi. Now, third step what you can follow is open settings, then go to General, go to iPhone storage. Okay, now scroll down and search for Grubhub application. Here we go, now tap on the app. Now tap on Offload app. Now wait for some time before reinstalling the app and check that whether your issue has been resolved or not. So this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.